If you are wondering which vegetables to plant in late summer in containers, here is a tasty listicle you cannot afford to miss. Carrots. Carrots can be planted in almost every climate. Use a 10 to 12 inch deep pot, ideal for growing most carrot varieties. Arugula. You can plant arugula in late summer and early fall. It grows fast and can be harvested in just 4 to 6 weeks. As the plant has shallow roots, don't use too deep of a pot. Beets. Beets are a cold weather crop, and you can start planting them in the late summer and early fall when temperatures exceed 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Spinach. You can plant spinach in late summer and early fall if you live in the tropics and subtropics. It's quite easy to grow spinach year-round. Lettuce. You can easily grow lettuce all year round. As it has shallow roots, you can use a 6 to 8 inch container to grow it easily. Bok choy. Bok choy, or pak choy, can be planted in late summer and early fall. It will be ready to harvest in 4 to 5 weeks, while large varieties take 5 to 7 weeks. Turnip. Turnips can be planted in spring and fall, except in the areas with hot summers. Use an 8 to 10 inch deep pot for an ample harvest for the entire family. Kale. This cold-hardy crop offers a distinct sweet and nutty flavor. In warm regions, it can be planted in late summers, while fall is the ideal time for mild winters. Cabbage. Starting cabbage in late summer will intensify the taste in the cool temperature before the vegetable is ready to harvest by winter or spring. Keep the soil moist for the best flavor. Radish. Radish is a cool season vegetable and develops a juicy, tender flavor if grown in the low temperatures of late summers. Provide the plant with moist and fertile soil. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like the video and subscribe.